Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. Today I will be reflecting on my experience attending two incredible cultural events, Festival Asia and Timeless Pattern, exploring traditional Chinese Hanfu and art in the modern era. These events offered me an opportunity to dive into the rich heritage and traditions of Asian culture, and I will also be analyzing them using two factual frameworks, Hofstede Cultural Dimension and Trompenaar's Cultural Model. Let's explore how these theories can help us understand the significance of this cultural experience. The first event, Festival Asia, took place on November 9, 2024 at the Malaysian Tourism Centre in Kuala Lumpur. The event celebrated the vibrant diversity of Asian culture through performance, fashion runway show, and interactive activities like Chinese calligraphy and filmmaking. A standout moment for me was participating in the Chinese calligraphy booth, where we learned not just how to write but also the meaning behind each stroke. The venue itself was stunning, with decor inspired by the cultures of various Asian countries, creating a lively and immersive environment. Additionally, my friends and I made unforgettable memories from singing Empire State of Mind on the drive to Kuala Lumpur to enjoy the beautiful displays. This event highlighted the joy of experience culture together. The second event, Timeless Pattern Exploring Traditional Chinese Hanfu and Art in the Modern Era, was held on November 19, 2024 at the Museum of Asian Art, University of Malaya. The exhibition showcased Hanfu, the national costume of the Han Chinese people, tracing its evolution from the Qing to the Ming dynasties. The attention to detail were breathtaking. For example, the phoenix symbol in Hanfu represents prestige and social status, where the color gold symbolized power and wealth. Seeing models dressed in exquisite Hanfu and understanding the cultural significance behind these garments deepened my appreciation for the craft and history. Now, let's analyze these events using Hofstede Cultural Dimension. First, collectivism. At Festival Asia, the sense of community and collaboration was evident. Activities like filmmaking and calligraphy emphasized shared experience, aligning with the collectivist nature of many Asian societies. This reflects the importance of harmony and mutual respect within groups. Second, long-term orientation. At Timeless Patterns, the emphasis on preserving historical traditions such as Hanfu's evolution over centuries reflected a long-term orientation. The dedication to maintaining and celebrating cultural heritage shows the value placed on history and continuity. Next, I will use Trompenaar's cultural model to analyze my experience. First, particularism versus universalism. At the Chinese calligraphy booth during Festival Asia, the instructor stressed the importance of particular methods and meanings behind each strokes. This reflects particularism, where traditions and specific contexts play a vital role in culture practices. Second, achievement versus ascriptions. During timeless patterns, Hanfu garments symbolize ascriptions, status and roles determined by heritage or social position. For examples, emperors wore specific colors and patterns to reflect their rank. This highlighted how deeply cultural symbols are tied to identity. Attending these events taught me a valuable lessons about culture and identity. They reinforced the importance of cross-cultural interactions in fostering mutual respect and understanding. The shared experience at Festival Asia deepened my appreciation for collectivist values. The detailed craftsmanship in Hanfu at Timeless Pattern showed me the enduring relevance of tradition in a modern world. In conclusion, this experience emphasized the value of cultural diversity and exchange. By analyzing them through Hofstede and Trompenaar's framework, I gained deeper insights into the cultural norms and values that shape this practice. Cultural exchange is essential in today's interconnected world. It builds bridges, fosters empathy, and encourages us to embrace diversity. Thank you for joining me in this journey of reflection and learning. I hope this inspires you to explore and celebrate cultural tradition in your own way. Thank you also for your time. I'd love to hear your thoughts or answer any question you might have about the experience. But before I forget, let's go check it out my vlog of the events.